Anders here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do Agua De Sandia. Give it a thumbs up and stay tuned. So first what we're going to do is go ahead and cut our watermelon just in half. And also the way to choose your watermelon is you can hit it, and if it sounds like it's hollow, then that's a good one. But what I've seen, it's a 50-50 chance that it's gonna be good, it's gonna be not good. Also, another way is these big yellow spots. Those are the ones to choose if they have this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Also, I do suck at cutting watermelon. I never cut a watermelon. Also, what I like to do is get the middle part and just taste it. It's really juicy. Alrighty. I might eat it on here. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put it on the blender. We're not gonna add anything. We're just gonna blend it like this, okay? This is how I know how much water to add to the watermelon. There you go. Blending it, you need to measure how much of watermelon you have. So I have five cups of watermelon. So we're gonna go ahead and add two and a half cups of water. And remember, watermelon, it really doesn't matter of water. It's not going to taste any different because watermelon has a lot of water. And let's just mix it again. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and strain it. I don't like to have all the pulp on my drinks. I don't. A lot of people do. My family members, my mom, everybody else, they do. Like orange juice. I don't know why they leave that damn pulp in there. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our lemons. The reason I'm adding the lemons, if you're gonna drink it right there and then, you could just, if y'all don't like bitter stuff, just do not add these. But like me, I'm gonna save this and it will last me up to 3 days, the most, maybe 4. Cause I have kids, they're gonna drink this too, and I'm gonna have it in the fridge. So the taste will still be there. The flavor will still be there that I want it to have. Just squeeze them in there. Squeeze them in there. Especially if you have a lot of limes that have a lot of juice, you could just go ahead and put 2 of them. I think those are all that I'm gonna put. I'll check at the end. If I need to add, I'll add. If not, I'll leave it alone. I'm gonna add sugar to this. If you're wanting to use this for weight loss, if you just don't need the sweetener, do not add the sugar. You don't need it. Me, I love sweet stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it. But like I said, if you're detoxing, if you're healthy and just want regular watermelon water, go ahead and just add the ice. You'll be good. So now that we're gonna go ahead and add our ice. Alrighty guys, so now what we're gonna do, I did add 2 cups of sugar in here. But like I said, if you're detoxing or using it for weight loss, you don't have to use it. I feel like I'm gonna lose that when I work out. There you go. And again, on here, you could go ahead and put on you could put some mint on it. I don't have mint. It was dying outside and my mom wanted to take it to her house to survive it. So, sorry, it would be good with the mint in there. But also, if parents, if y'all having a good time, y'all could put some rum in here. There is a Smirnoff with watermelon in it. Also, if you pour it in there, it's good. But rum or Bacardi is good with watermelon. Vodka is good with watermelon. I might just do that. I don't know yet. But yeah, we do have Jose Cuervo. You could just get a shot glass and fill it just a little bit. Pour it in there and just mix it up. You can add some more ice to it and just drink it. And it tastes good. It's awesome. Okay guys, there you have it. A delicious agua de sandia. Comment below and let me know your favorite agua fresca. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for you to know what's going on my kitchen. Till next time, bye.